Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and healthy at home. So today our day will start with the new chapter, chapter 13, Environmental Studies, a River's Tale. In this chapter you will come to know about the water pollution, how to save it and what are the reasons why the water gets polluted. Let us start the lesson. Look carefully at the picture of the river. Read the words given below. Boat, flowing water, blue, fish, water plants, river, foul smell, big ship, oil, river banks, factories, washing clothes, animals, other work, change and city. Use these words to make a story. Give a title to your story also. यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर आपको दिखाई गई है and according to that the words are provided to you. Make few lines on the words given below and make a small story. Look at the pictures and answer the following questions. What is the color of the river where it begins? जब ये शुरू होती है that time from the mountain you can see it is clear water, it's clear blue. So you will write here clear blue. At some places there are many fishes in the river. At other there are only a few and at some places there are dead fish. What could be the reason for this? Discuss. So the reason could be polluted water. In some area from the beginning from the mountain where it's a clear water there are lots of fish. You can see in the picture. But as soon as it passes from the jungle to villages and to the cities and then industrial area, the water is getting more polluted and the fish are not able to get the oxygen in the water, and that is why they died in the industrial area and there are less fish in the village and city area. What can be seen in the river before it reaches the village? We can see lots of fishes in the river before it reaches to the village. At which place did the color of the water in the river change? Why did this happen? Discuss. So looking at the picture, answer is when the water reaches the city and industrial area, the water color changes. Why did this happen? It happened because the factory is dropping chemicals and dirty polluted water into the river. That is why it has changed its color. Which of the places shown in the picture would you like to live in? Why? I would like to stay in the village area because the village area river has a good and clear and healthy water. Would you like to change any of the things that you see in the picture? Why and how? Yes, I would like to change city area river water because it is too much polluted and it is not drinkable. How? I would like to clear this water I would like to clear the factory waste which they drop in the river so that the river water would not get polluted. Have you seen people throwing different things into rivers or water bodies? Yes, we have seen many people throwing things into the river or water bodies like lake or well. What could be done to keep rivers clean? Discuss. We should not throw waste or garbage in the river water. One should not clean clothes. One should not bath animals in the river water. By not doing this, we can keep the water clear. If you wanted to drink some water, from which part of the river would you like to drink? Why? From the river water which comes from the mountain has a drinkable water. because it has no chemicals, no garbage, and no other bacteria which can harm our health. That is why we would like to drink water from the mountain area. In the last part of the picture, the river flows into the sea. Have you ever seen the sea? Where? In movie or somewhere else? आपने पहले देखा कि पहले पिक्चर में रिवर का पानी मतलब नदी का पानी दरिया में जाके इकट्ठा होता है. क्या कभी आपने दरिया देखा है? Yes, in movies and once we have visited place like Bombay, Goa, Somnath, which are near sea. So we have seen sea in practical or in real life also. Have you ever been near a river or sea? When? It's on you. ये बच्चे खुद से आंसर लिखेंगे. Show with your hands how the waves in the sea move. ये सबको पता होता है कि waves कैसे move करते हैं. So you'll be showing your hands moving like water. Is the water from the sea drinkable? Why? No, the sea water is not drinkable because it is too much salted. And too much salt is harmful for health. Do you think that there would be changes like taking place in a river, pond or stream at different times of years? What kind of changes would this be? Discuss. Yes, there are lots of changes in river, ponds and streams at different time of the year. Sometimes what happens that factories nearby areas are getting developed. पहले जहाँ पे एक फैक्ट्री थी अब वहाँ पे 10 फैक्ट्रियाँ हो चुकी है. जहाँ पे पहले कुछ लोग रहते थे अभी यहाँ पे मल्टीपल लोग रह रहे हैं. तो विलेजेस बढ़ रहे हैं, हाउसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, एनिमल्स आर गेटिंग ग्रोन. तो वो सब होता है. तो जो एनिमल का वेस्ट होता है, ह्यूमंस का वेस्ट होता है, गार्बेज होता है, प्लास्टिक होता है, अनयूज्ड मटेरियल्स होता है, डस्ट जो होती है, जो सब कुछ हम रिवर या लेक या पॉन्ड जो भी होता है उसके आसपास करते हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाई द वाटर गेट्स डर्टी एंड नॉट ड्रिंकेबल और नॉट इवन यूजेबल. Will there be the same amount of water in the ponds or rivers during the rainy season and in summer? No, in the rainy season the water gets increased, while in summer the water gets decreased from the river or ponds. Is there a pond, river or a lake near your town or city? Find out. Yes, there are. Are there any changes in the water during summers, the rainy season and in winters? Yes, during the rainy season the water level gets increased and it remains almost the same during the winters as well, but in summers it gets dried. What are the different kind of water animals found there? We can see frogs, we can see water snakes, then fishes and some other creatures which lives in water. What kind of trees and plants grow around it? Normal the plants growing are water seeds and grass we can see around it. What are the kinds of birds that come there? We can see the swans and some other birds around the water area. Have you ever seen or read about floods? Where? Yes, we have read about the kinds of birds that come there. We can see the swans and some other birds around the water area. Have you ever seen or read about floods? Where? Yes, we have read about floods in the newspaper. What happens when there is a flood? When there is a flood, the water comes out from the river, pond or river, and it fills the residential or living area with water. Have you seen dirty water in a river or pond? Where? During the rainy season, we can see that river and ponds are getting very dirty because from the water which falls from the sky falls on the road, and the dust, sand, garbage, chemicals, oil, everything goes into the pond or in the river during the rainy season, and that is why we see dirty water in river or in pond. How would you know if the water is dirty? If the water looks clean, can you be sure that it is all right to drink that water? Discuss. Would you how would you come to know? कभी कभी पानी एकदम क्लीन दिखता है तो हमें पता नहीं चलता कि ये पानी पीने लायक है कि नहीं है. कुछ बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं, तो जो बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं वो हम रियल आइज से नहीं देख पाते हैं. उनके लिए हमको माइक्रोस्कोप या कुछ ऐसा साइंटिफिक चाहिए जिस लैबोरेटरीज में जो यूज़ होता है, और उसको हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि इसके अंदर कोई हार्मफुल बैक्टीरियाज तो नहीं है, तो ही हम वो पानी पी सकते हैं. How does water become dirty? You saw in the picture that as the river flowed through or near many villages, towns and cities, the water changed. The people used the river water for many different things, such as washing clothes, bathing animals, cleaning utensils. Many of these activities made the water dirty. The water in the river kept changing as it flowed through various places. Water in ponds and lakes can also become dirty due to similar reasons. From where do you get your drinking water? A river or a lake? Do you think that, like the river in the picture, your river or lake can also be affected? Yes. First question is, we do get drinking water from the borewell in our society. A river or a lake कुछ भी हो सकता है. द म्यूनिसिपालिटी, जो म्यूनिसिपालिटी होती है या जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट होती है, वो रिवर वाटर को सिटीज़ एरिया में पहुंचाने के लिए उसको किसी और माध्यम से, किसी और वजह से वहाँ पे एक जगह पे इकट्ठा करती है, और वो पानी वहाँ से फिर सभी जगह पे पहुँचाया जाता है, और वो पानी गंदा भी हो सकता है. बट अवर गवर्नमेंट, अवर म्यूनिसिपालिटी क्लीन्स द वाटर एंड सेंड्स अस प्योर वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग पर्पज. फॉर दिस एक्टिविटी यू विल नीड टू ब्रिंग सर्टन थिंग्स फ्रॉम योर होम. ये आपको करना है. यू विल फाइंड मोस्ट ऑफ दिस इन द किचन. 5 to 6 glasses of waters, salt, sugar, cooking soda, haldi, flour and dal, about a half a spoon each. Lemon juice, soap water, sherbet, oil, 1 full spoon each. Now what will you do? यहाँ पे क्या करना है? हर एक चीज़ को हमें अलग अलग ग्लास में रखना है और देखना है, स्पून से हिलाना है और देखना है कि वो चीज़ पानी में डाइल्यूटेड यानी कि मिक्स हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. अगर वो मिक्स हो रहा है तो क्या वो पानी का कलर चेंज कर रहा है, और अगर वो मिक्स नहीं हो रहा है तो भी क्या पानी का कलर चेंज हो रहा है. सो लेट अस ऑब्जर्व दिस थिंग्स एट होम. और यहाँ फिर उसके आंसर्स लिखने हैं. डिजॉल्व्ड मतलब मिक्स होना. डू नॉट डिजॉल्व्ड मतलब पानी में मिक्स नहीं होना, वो पिघलता नहीं है. कलर ऑफ द वाटर चेंजेस, यस और नो. कलर ऑफ वाटर डज नॉट चेंज. तो वहाँ पे अगर चेंज होता है तो चेंज में टिक करेंगे, नहीं चेंज हो रहा है तो नहीं चेंज में टिक करेंगे. एक एग्जांपल मैं बताती हूँ, जैसे कि आई टेक हल्दी. तो हल्दी विल डिज़ोल्व, यस इट विल डिज़ोल्व, तो वहीं पे टिक करेंगे. डू नॉट डिज़ोल्व में हम ब्लैंक रखेंगे. कलर ऑफ वाटर चेंजेस, तो वहाँ पे यस करेंगे बिकॉज इट टर्न्स टू येलो कलर. इफ डजंट तो वहाँ पे हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. Now, on the basis of your observation, tell, do all the things dissolve in the water? ये आप ही को बच्चे students will write the answers by their own. ये जो भी आपने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है उसके बेसिस पे आप खुद ही लिखेंगे. Does the colors of the water always changes as per your knowledge and as per your observation? Did oil dissolve in the water? How can you say whether it has dissolved or not? Well, the oil never dissolves in the water. It will remain on the surface of the water. Color of the water may not change even after some things are dissolved in it. For an example, sugar and salt. Would you say that these are absent in water? No, because the water taste gets changed. पानी का टेस्ट चेंज हो जाता है. That is why we cannot say that it is absent in the water. Imagine how it would be if things like sugar, salt, lemon juice, शरबत etc. could not dissolve in the water. अगर ये चीज़ें पानी में मिक्स नहीं होती तो हम उसको खा पाते नहीं. We could not have used them during the cooking process. Imagine how it would be if things like stones, chalk, plastic and garbage would dissolve in water. अगर ये सारी चीज़ें पानी में पिघल जाती तो वो पानी कभी भी पीने लायक रहता नहीं, बिकॉज देर आर लाइक पॉइजन, और हम लोग उसको जानते भी नहीं क्योंकि वो पानी में मिक्स हो जाते हैं और हम वो खा जाते, पी जाते या यूज़ कर लेते तो इट वुड हार्म आवर हेल्थ. There are many things that dissolve easily in water. Some of these can be very harmful for our body. Hence, it is important that we clean water before drinking it. One of the best ways to do this is to boil the water. If for some reason this cannot be done, can you think of some other ways to clean water? Yes, right now we can use some tablets like chlorine, and one is fatakdi that in every home you can find, and normally people use to clean the water from this thing. And the more important is RO water and purifiers that we are using to clean the water. How is drinking water cleaned in your house? In my home I use purifier to clean the water. Find out the many different ways of cleaning water at home. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी सारे एग्जाम्पल्स जस्ट वर्बली बता दिए हैं. इसके अलावा आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ के भी यहाँ पे डिफरेंट वेज बता सकते हो. Draw a picture showing any two ways of cleaning the water. One is boiling and one is using the tablet of chlorine. You can draw the picture here. So here we have ended our chapter. I hope you have understood the importance of water and why we should not pollute the water. और कैसे हम पानी को सेफ रख सकते हैं वो सब आपने समझ लिया होगा. The workbook answers are provided to you. Kindly read the chapter loudly in front of your parents and learn it properly. Complete your work as soon as you can and learn at home. Be safe and stay at home.